Hi everyone, my name is Natalia and this is my final project for Code in Place 2021 class offered by Stanford University. Thank you so much, Stanford. Did you know that in California you can drive a vehicle after consuming small amount of alcohol? Yes, as long as your blood alcohol content, BAC, stays below 0.08, you are considered not to be legally intoxicated in California, therefore you can drive, with a few exceptions. So my project, which is called CADUI, which stands for California Driving Under the Influence, helps the user to calculate their estimated blood alcohol content, BAC, based on the information from the California Department of Motor Vehicles website. Okay, so let's look at the code of the program. Let me go over the main function. So the first line of code would print all the introduction statements and the program description. Then the program would ask the user to provide gender, weight in pounds, number of drinks consumed, as well as the time that has lapsed between the drinks and since the last drink. There is data validation built in those functions, so if the user enters invalid information, the program would continue asking the user to enter the information that is within the range. For example, the weight is limited between 100 pounds to 240 pounds. That's just the data that is available on the California Department of Motor Vehicles website. So the next step, the program creates 10 different dictionaries. Each dictionary represents the number of drinks consumed. There are five dictionaries for male gender option and 5 dictionaries for female gender option. And the values in the dictionary are the weight in pounds, and the keys in the dictionary are the corresponding blood alcohol content number. So the next step is creating one nested dictionary that basically combines all the previously created dictionaries into one. The next function pulls the blood alcohol content value from the dictionary based on the data that was earlier provided by the user. The next function makes adjustments based on the time that has passed between the drinks and since the last drink, because in California, your blood alcohol content number is reduced by 0.01 for every 40 minutes that have passed between the drinks or since the last drink. And finally, the program prints the results, all the closing statements, and at the end the program shows the image of the table that was used to create this program. So let's go to the code now. So here are all the introduction statements. There's a 1 second delay between each statement is printed to make it easier to read for the user. So the gender, let's say non-binary. Okay, so no such option is available. But there's an option to quit the program if we don't want to continue. Let's say I enter female as my gender. Now to the pounds. Let's say I am heavy. No, we don't want to exit the program. Let's say I'm 99 pounds. And again, it's out of range. So let's say 120. There is a description of what one drink is equivalent to. So how many drinks I have today? Let's say I had many. Yeah, invalid entry. No, we don't want to exit the program. Okay, how many drinks I had today? Let's say 9 and again it's out of range, so let's say 2. Okay, so how many minutes have passed since I had a drink? Let's say it's been a couple of hours since I had my last drink, and in between drinks there maybe was like 45 minutes. Okay, so now we're printing all the closing statements. So my blood alcohol level is 0.07, and here's the table that confirms that information. And finally, based on the program calculations, my driving skills are impaired, so I can drive, but I need to use discretion. Here I go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and happy coding.